How to stop the fentanyl patch? Abruptly stopping a high dose is not recommended. Even 50 microgram patch, which is considered to be on the low scale, it will probably precipitate withdrawal within the next 24 to 48 hours. A person can try to white knuckle it through. However, I wouldn't recommend it. It can be torture and can lead to some pretty bad symptoms and discomfort for the person. So the best thing to do is to wean down to a lower fentanyl patch first, and then to get off of it or to get onto opioid replacement.